Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Flo. Just got home from work here at my office. I was actually gonna speak about what's going on. So it's been a little bit tight, a little rough lately, but I do have a video coming out about disassembling the cylinder heads on the engine on the HO motor. So so we'll be looking to upload that, and also I wanted to kind of go a little bit more in depth of how for example, the Laredo. I get a lot of questions. How was it turboed? Where was the turbo placed? How did it work? And I kind of wanted to address all of that here in this video. I'll also try to put some pictures up. I currently have the Overland. I don't have the Laredo no more, so I'll go ahead and toss those up there. Uh, First things first, I think the biggest thing was mounting. How was it mounted? How did it all sit? Where did it fit? So the thing for me was it wasn't gonna fit under the hood. All right, let's just be honest. There just isn't space in the V8 Grand Cherokees, at least in the WJs. So what I ended up doing was I removed my muffler, and then right where the pipe comes, made a flange, welded that on, and sat the turbo there. And then after that, it was basically just a lot of plumbing. All your vacuum lines, your blow off valve, which I actually did not have on it. At least in the beginning, for the first couple months, I didn't have a blow off valve, which was kind of bad. But besides that, it's just your vacuum lines, um, all your plumbing, so like your intake piping and all that stuff. And the way I did that is I just ran it back towards the front of the engine, and I had already done the the Laredo actually had a mechanical fan, not hydraulic like my Overland. So on that one, I just had to eliminate the mechanical fan, put some electrical fans, and it gave an ample room so you can run the plumbing up, and like basically, essentially, you open the hood through the middle of the engine to the intake. But do beware, the plastic intake manifolds, they will blow up if you do a lot of boost. When I had the Laredo, I did not have no boost controller. I didn't have anything, set to control or limit the boost. So I never really knew what it was, peaking at. But it did last for a good while. The turbo I used was, I'll put a picture of that too. It wasn't nothing fancy. It was about $130, $140 off of Amazon, and the flange, I believe, was a T4 flange. I'm not sure, but I mean, it worked. It ran. Uh, Unfortunately, I did have to get rid of the Jeep, and the turbo did blow up on me, and I believe it was because of a lack of oil. Because I did have the lines, but I believe it just wasn't getting good enough flow. I don't know if it was maybe the diameter of the lines I was using, or just a bad quality turbo, but it did last. It was quite stout for a good while. Um, I don't know. I mean, if you guys want to go ahead and give it a shot, you can go ahead and do that. Just wanted to elaborate on that because I just got back into my account, and I'm seeing all the comments and like all that stuff. So I wanted to explain that. I'll go ahead and put pictures up, put little photos, little diagrams and stuff with what I have, and see if I can find that turbo here so I can send you the link. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update and kind of elaborate a little bit more on that, and kind of give you guys an idea of like what it all looks like and how it's all intertwined and pieced together. That's really it. Stay safe. I'll see you guys around, and then